Coughlin, Managing Editor of Food Service Equipment Reports. I'm here at the National Restaurant Association Show 2026. We're in Hatco's booth. I'm with Mark. Mark, can you introduce yourself?
Yes, hi, I'm Mark Gilpatric with Hatco. I've been with Hatco about 30 years now in various engineering and now marketing roles, and I'm the product manager for induction products, our food pickup lockers, and other internet-connected technology products.
Okay. So I know you guys won a Kitchen Innovations Award for this induction lineup. Can you kind of run us through what this product is and what makes it stand out?
Yes. So this is our new 6-burner heavy-duty range. It comes 2,400 or 2,900 watts per burner. And the key feature that we're finding some really good application with quick serve restaurants is the programmability. So you can program up to 6 stages for 8 recipes, and that lets you, the cook just has to hit a button and start it. It will run through the recipe and guide the cook with prompts as to when to turn the food, when to add the pan, when to flip the food, and so they can focus on other tasks and don't need the skill level of a more trained chef to do the cooking. So that's a key feature. But otherwise it has all the other great features of induction products like accurate power control, low temperatures, safety, so easy to clean. So we're finding some great application for it with our customers.
Okay. You said up to 6 steps and 8 recipes?
Yes.
Okay. What does that kind of look like at startup? How easy is it to program for an operator who's getting this in their kitchen?
I think what the chef of the main culinary person for the operation would need to go through and understand exactly how they prepare each item on their menu and break it down step by step. And then they can go ahead and add in, okay, I've got to preheat the pan, I've got to turn up the power for the cooking, I've got to tell the operator to flip it. So figure out what those prompts are and what those steps are. And then we have a recipe programmer that's a computer-based application. You just create the recipe and load it into the unit. It'll propagate to all the controls. So very simple. You can run the recipe in manual mode to do the initial cooking and then transfer it to a program mode later.
And USB transfer?
USB transfer,
okay.
Exactly. And Hatco would be happy to program and help an operation program it to get started.
Okay. And obviously, getting a Kitchen Innovations Award, that is kind of a sign that you're, setting yourself apart. What that you haven't talked about yet makes this product extra unique that maybe helped you get that honor?
It's the programmability was a key feature, but I think the other aspects that the QSRs love about this, it's cleanable. It's a durable 6mm thick shot saran glass, so that's the highest level of standard in the industry. So very durable, independent controls. Everything is redundant. So if for some reason, it's probably not going to happen. If for some reason one section goes down, you can keep using the rest of it. It's super accurate, safety for the operator, low temperatures, one cord for the whole unit, so you don't have multiple power supplies that some of the other units do. You don't have separate burners that have silicone seams between them that some of the other units do, so perfect.
And then I know there's some other new products in the booth as well. Do you want to just kind of quickly run through what those are and
Sure.
what people should come see?
Well, and of course we have a full range of induction products. We've added woks, built-in woks, and a new induction rice cooker this year, so that's in our new product mix. But we've also been focusing on the heated merchandisers. So we have a floor standing air curtain merchandiser that's great for grab and go applications. We've got a countertop that's been revamped with better visibility to the product, more glass, and a digital menu board option that you can add to it. And then we've got our typical FSDT pizza cabinets have been revamped to have more visibility, clear top glass, better temperature and humidity control. So.
Okay, perfect. Well, thank you so much, Mark.
Thank you, Lauren.
I'm Lauren Coughlin for Food Service Equipment Reports at the National Restaurant Association Show.